Hi buddies! Today we are building a giant farm, one letter at a time. Are you ready for an ABC adventure? Let's go! A is for apple tree. Did you know some apple trees can live to be 100 years old? That's a lot of birthdays. B is for barn. Barns are like giant hotels where farm animals sleep to stay warm and dry. C is for cow. Cows have a great sense of smell. They can smell things 6 miles away. Next letter is D, but this is not right. D is for dog. Farm dogs are like helpers. They help the farmer look after all the other animals. E is for eggs. Most hens lay about 250 eggs a year. That's enough for a lot of omelets. F is for farmer. Farmers are early birds. They usually start their work before the sun even comes up. G is for goose. Geese are very protective friends. They will honk loudly to warn the farm of visitors. H is for hay. Hay is actually dried grass, and it's the favorite breakfast for horses and cows. I is for ice block. When the sun gets hot on the farm, an ice block is the best way to stay cool. Did you know ice is just water that has fallen fast asleep in the freezer? J is for jam. Farmers often turn their summer berries into jam so they can taste the fruit all winter long. K is for kitten. Barn cats are very important. They keep the grain safe from tiny mice. L is for llama. Llamas are very brave. Farmers use them as guards to protect sheep from predators. M is for milk. A dairy cow can produce enough milk in one day for you to fill up 100 glasses. N is for nest. Owls and birds on the farm build nests in high places to keep their babies safe. O is for owl. Owls are the farm's night watchmen. They can turn their heads almost all the way around. P is for pigeon. Pigeons are world-class explorers. They have a special map in their heads that helps them find their way home from hundreds of miles away. Q is for quail. These tiny birds love to hide in the farm's tall grass to stay invisible. R is for rooster. Roosters don't just crow at sunrise. They crow to tell other roosters, "This is my farm." S is for scarecrow. These straw friends help the farmer by tricking crows away from the growing crops. T is for tractor. A tractor's engine is so strong it can pull thousands of pounds of heavy equipment. U is for umbrella. Farmers have to work in every weather, even when it's pouring rain. V is for vet. A vet is a special doctor who visits the farm to make sure all the animals stay healthy. W is for watermelon. Did you know watermelons are 92% water? That's why they are so refreshing. X is for X-ray. If a horse hurts its leg, the vet uses an X-ray to see the bones inside. Cool, right? Y is for yam. Yams are like hidden treasures that grow underground. They have thick, bumpy skin to keep them safe while they grow big and strong in the dirt. Z is for zephyrants. That's a big word. These are also called rain lilies because they love to pop up and bloom right after a backyard rainstorm. From the tiny seeds in our apple tree to the beautiful blooms of the zephyrants, we've built a whole world today. Thanks for being such a great puzzle partner, buddy.